So this is Muddy Water Healing by Maddison Glover, 32 count 4 wall. It has restart happens twice and there's an ending. Okay, it starts with a bang. It really does. Probably the biggest turn in the whole dance. You start with your weight on the left. You step back for 1 and drag, do a coaster cross, 2 and 3. Now she calls this a scissor turn, so side together and then make a quarter turn stepping forward. A regular scissor would be side together cross, but she's put a quarter turn in there, so it's scissor turn, side together, quarter, and then it's like a hinge turn, so it's to the right, so it's half stepping back, quarter stepping to the side, and cross, and then step side together. That's your first 8 and. So it's back 1, coast across 2 and 3, scissor turn, 4 and 5, 3/4 turn, 6 and cross 7, side together, 8 and. Weights on the left. Let's do it from the back wall and then we'll continue on the front. Stepping back on the right for 1, coast for 2 and 3, scissor turn 4 and 5, 3/4, 6 and 7, 8 and. It occurred to me, some of you might have trouble with that half turn left, 3/4 turn right. If you think about it, you can simplify it a little bit. Just do a regular scissor, side together, cross, and then a hinge, quarter, quarter, cross, quarter, quarter, cross. We've done that in so many dances, and it's easy to do, and it doesn't really affect the dance. And you can do that to get yourself through the first set of 8 until you get comfortable, and then you can do scissor, quarter, turn, half, quarter, cross. Okay, let's keep going. Stepping back for 1, coaster 2 and 3, scissor turn 4 and 5, turn 6 and 7, 8 and. The next set is lots of turns and lots of and counts. Starts with toe struts going back, so toe strut back right and left and. Now we're doing a rock, recover, half turn into a toe strut. So rock back, recover, half turn, toe strut, and then rock back, recover on the left, and do a quarter turn and toe strut to the side. Quarter, toe strut. Maybe I should do that from the front wall. So it's back strut, rock, recover, half strut, rock, recover, quarter strut. Better? Weights on left, toe struts back, right strut, left strut, rock, recover, half strut, rock, recover, quarter strut. With the counts 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. Keep going with the 7 and 8 and. It's rock back, recover, side, behind. Rock back, recover, side, behind. I think this is the only time that you do side behind. I think every other time it's side together, but it doesn't really matter. So that's set of 8 again. We should really be on the back wall. But toe strut back, 1 and 2, rock 3, turn 4, rock 5, turn 6, and rock back, recover, side, behind. I'm going to add the next 4 counts on because they also have all the and counts. So it's side touch, side kick for 1 and 2 and then step side together, side, 3 and 4, big step to the side, no and here. So you get a bit of a break before the and start again. Strut back, 1 and 2, rock 3, turn 4, strut 5, turn 6, and rock, recover, side, behind, side touch, side kick, side together, side. With the counts, struts 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Big step to the side. So let's see if we can do all of that. That's a little over half the dance. See if we can do all of that from the front wall, and then I'll ask you if you have any questions. So stepping back and drag to start the dance. Ready, and 1, coaster 2 and 3, scissor turn 4 and 5, quarter 6 and 7, 8 and toe strut, rock, recover, turn strut, rock, recover, turn strut, rock behind, rock back, recover, side behind, side touch, side kick, side together, side. A few more counts maybe. Back, 1, 2 and 3, scissor 4 and 5, 3/4, 6 and 7, 8, toe struts 1 and 2 and 3, turn 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. How are we doing? Okay, so that was 4 with no and now we go back to a lot of and counts again. So let's take it from the side touch, side kick. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Rock back, recover, 5 and into a vine with a quarter turn. 6 and 7 with a hitch and step, hitch, 8 and. The next thing is going to be a forward lock step. So again from the side touch. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, rock, 5, vine, 6, and turn 7, hitch, 8, hitch. Again, side touch, side kick, side together, side, rock back, recover, side behind, turn, hitch, step, lock, step, starts the last set of 8. So, should we get that far? Stepping back into the coaster, so 1, coaster 2 and 3, scissor 4 and 5, 3/4, 6 and 7, 8 and toe strut 1, 2 and 3, turn 4 and 5, turn 6 and 7 and 8 and side touch, 2 and 3 and 4, rock, 5, vine, 6 and 7 and 8 and step, lock, step. Good? Okay, let's just do the last set. So you've done your step, hitch, your weights on the right. Forward lock with the left for 1 and 2. Sweep around and behind side cross. 3 and 4, sweep behind. 5 and cross, rock, recover, quarter. 6 and 7, and then rock, recover and step back. 8 and 1 to start the dance again. Again, so that's set from the lock step forward, step lock, 1 and 2, sweep, 3 and 4, sweep, 5 and rock 6 and turn 7, rock 8 and 1 starts the dance again. So let's add that on from the step touches. So this will be the second half of the dance. So face 3 o'clock and weights on the left, crossed over, side touch, 1 and kick, side together, side, rock back, recover, side behind, quarter hitch, forward lock, step, sweep, cross, side behind, sweep, behind, side, rock, recover, quarter, rock, recover, back, coaster, cross. Okay, questions on the second half? Let's do it one more time and then we'll put it all together. So you start with your left over right, weights on the left. Step touch, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, rock, 5 and 6 and 7, hitch, 8 and lock, 1 and 2, sweep, 3 and 4, sweep, 5 and rock, 6, turn 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3. Okay, let's put it all together. Weights on the left, stepping back for 1, coaster 2 and 3, scissor 4 and 5, 3/4, 6 and 7, 8 and strut 1 and 2 and rock 3, 4 and rock 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, step touch 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, lock, step and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3. How was that? Shall we do the second wall? Okay, let's take it from the forward lock step so that we get the transition from the into the next wall. So weights on the right, forward lock step, 1 and 2, sweep 3 and 4, sweep 5 and rock 6 and 7, 8 and 1, coaster 2, 3, scissor 4 and 5, turn 6, 7, 8 and strut 1 and 2, rock 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, step touch, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and rock step 1 and 2, sweep 3 and 4, 5 and rock 6 and 7, rock 8 and 1. Good. This is wall 3, and this is where your first restart happens. And it is after the 8 and in the first set. So you only do that big turn and step together, and then you start again. So let's see if we can do this as wall 3. And then I'll come back and do this as a full wall. Okay, so stepping back for 1, coast across 2 and 3, scissor turn 4, 5, 3/4, 6 and 7, side together 8, and restart 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5. Let's do that again. It happens 2 times, once on the 6 o'clock wall and once on the 3 o'clock wall. So doing it as a restart, stepping back 1, coaster 2 and 3, scissor 4, 5, turn 6 and 7, 8, and restart 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5. Okay, we've already done the 12 o'clock wall, so let's do the 6 o'clock wall, because we do have to do it all the way through at some point. Weights on the left, stepping back for 1, coaster 2 and 3, scissor 4, 5, turn 6 and 7, 8, toe struts 1 and 2 and 3, turn 4 and 5, turn 6, 7 and 8, step touch 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, hitch 8, lock step, sweep behind, cross side behind, sweep behind, side, rock, recover, turn, rock, recover. Okay? Now, because of the way the restarts work out, you do wall 1 and 2. Wall 3 has the restart that brings you back to 12 o'clock. So this is 4, then you do 5, then you do 6, all the way through like we just did. That gets you to the 3 o'clock wall where you start again, and there's a restart here. So you only do the first 8 counts on the 3 o'clock wall. Okay, so let's just do that. So stepping back for 1, coaster 2 and 3, scissor 4 and 5, turn 6, 7, 8, and restart 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, etc. Okay, so we've done all the walls that we do in, completely, all 32 plus 24 and counts. And we've done the only thing that we ever do on the 3 o'clock wall, which is the first 8 with a restart. The only other thing to tell you about, I guess, is some styling. When you step back, you're taking a big step back for your coaster, you're supposed to drag your heel. Styling. When you do the step hitches, you're supposed to kind of twist a bit. Styling, it's up to you. There is a bit of an ending. We end up here, I think we do the rock back, recover, side, behind, and then you make a quarter turn and stomp, and that ends the dance on the front wall. Okay. Muddy water healing. Weights on the left, back in the coaster. 5, 6, 7, 8, back, 1, 2, and 3, scissor, 3, quarter turn, side again, toe strut, rock, toe strut, toe strut, left side, hand side, top side, hip, side again, side, rock, side, quarter turn, hitch turn, sweep, left side, hand, behind side, rock, turn, turn, rock the pedal 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5,
I'm tired of all these concrete streets.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 6 and 7 and 8, step each 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 1 and walk.
I need no sad song on my radio, burning up some bags, what we got a bag, go
Rock
I need a
the
ball,
pedal to the restart walk.
I need a ball.
3 turn, restart 1,
It's a
2
bunch
and
of
3,
brand new
4 and 5,
always
6,
it'll be
7, 8,
just wanna catch it out, done to let my mind wander off anything to do.
7 and 8 and side touch, side
And all my friends,
right back to heaven, my quarter turn hitch, one step, sweep,
the river lakes and their fish don't
rock the double quarter, drop the pedal 1,
a little bit of faith. I need to take a break. I'm tired of all these concrete streets. I'm running down.
3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, step each 1 and 2, 3 and 4,
Ran to the main for some money. What I need,
and 1
no
step,
sad song on my radio, burning up some sights. What we got a bag of.
rock
I
the
need a
pedal
ball.
1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and strut and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 7 touch, 2 and 3 and 4,
Say quiet.
6, 7 and 8,
Don't know
lock step and 2, 3 and 4,
who's gonna buy
5 and
it.
6 and 7, 8
Yeah, but I need a
and
ball.
1. It is a restart walk, restart back,
A little bit of grace. I need to take a break. I'm tired of all these concrete streets.
where the road is right, drop the double hill, rock the pedal to the strut, come side, left side, side, side,
Ran to the main for some money. What I get. Don't need no sad song on my radio, burning up some black smoke down a back road. I need a ball.
I think this is the last floor,
I need a ball.
3/4 turn, side,